Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to check which operating system your user is using. I've done nothing special with this form, it's just a form and it's got two labels on it. So let's go ahead and jump into the code. First of all, we're going to create a object of the OS version class. So we'll just type in environment .os. Oops. Okay, let me start that again. So we'll just type in operating system, and we'll name it system info. Of course, in a normal program you'd never name something like that, but in this case we'll just leave it, and it will initiate it to environment.os info or OS version. Okay, inside of label 2 we're going to show the full OS version information. So we'll just go label 2 dot text equals to system info dot version the version string, and that's it for that. And for label 1 we're going to show specifically which version of Windows it's using, so if it's using Windows XP, Vista or Windows 7. So we'll just go ahead and write the code. We'll just go label1.text equals to, we'll just create a method called OSV. OSV. There we go. In this method there is just going to be a few if statements, and to make C# happy we're just going to, in the last line of our method we're just going to put in a return nothing. So, and let's go ahead and start writing our if statements. So we'll just go if system info dot platform equals to system system.platform ID dot win nt. As you can see, there's other options as well, so you can check if the user is on the Mac, Unix, or Win32s, or Windows CE, or on the Xbox even. But Windows XP, Vista, and Windows 7 falls under a category called Windows NT, or Win32NT. So we'll just do that, and that's going to be our first if statement. And inside the if statement we're going to create a new one. This is to check if the version is Windows XP. So we'll go system info dot version dot major, and we'll compare it to 5. Windows XP is WinNT 5. So, and if it is if it is version 5, we'll just return XP. Oops. And we'll create an else if here. Else if. Now we're gonna check if it's Windows Vista or 7 actually. So we'll go system info dot version dot major. We'll compare it to 5 again. I mean 6. And if it is version 6, it's either Windows Vista or Windows 7. we're gonna put in another if statement in the else if thing here. So we'll just go ahead and write in if systeminfo dot version dot minor. If it's equal to 1, then it is Windows 7. Let's type in what to return. And outside of the if, but in the else if statement, we're gonna return Windows Vista. Oops. And there we have it. This will return either Windows 7, Windows XP, or Windows Vista. So let's go ahead and run it. And there it is. It's Windows 7 or Win 7. This really should have been the first video or the second video in this series, but I wanted to get this out of the way in case I forget. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.